Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're going to be looking at substitution. So this question is asking us to evaluate 3a plus 4b. Now this a and this b are variables. We know that they have some value, we just don't know what the value is. But the question, or a substitution question, will always tell you what those values are. So here we've got a is 5 and b is 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute, right? I'm going to replace the a with what I know it is a 5, and the b in a similar fashion. So we've got the b down here, the a here. So 3 times 5, 15, plus 4 times 4, 16. I end up with 31. Okay, so this next question is more of a real-world example of substitution. A firm wants to know how much profit it's getting, and the way we figure that out is by determining what the revenue is, and the revenue is how much money we bring in. The expenses, that's how much money we spend, so buying the things that we then sell, and the tax rate. So the tax rate is the amount of money, the percentage of sales that your government will take. So what I need to do is first determine the actual value of these variables. So revenue here is 400,000. So that's my revenue. My expenses, right? And the reason we use variables is that it's different for every single business, right? So expenses, 143,000. And last but not least, the tax rate, right, which is a percentage, is going to be 32%. And we're going to write 32% as a decimal. Right, so writing it as a decimal, 0.32, will allow us to use it in this context. So putting this all together, and I'm going to put it together over here. The net profit is equal to revenue, which is 400,000, minus expenses, which is 143,000, times 1 minus 0.32, which is 400 minus 143, 257,000. Let's keep that in brackets. I'm going to times that by 1 minus 0.32, which is 0.28. 0.68. All right, pull the calculator out. Gives me 174,760. But anytime we're talking about revenue or profit, we want to give it in context. So the net profit is $174,760.